he just got told off and he went straight back. Good boy. Now that's funny. I got an apology. Sorry to wake you up. I didn't even sleep here. I knew that I'd been seen.
Hi, Mum. I'm being really good today. I'm not barking.
That you have, wherever you're parked, that you've been camping there and sleeping there. And it's just not the case. How did you see me? But
I'm made for the camera.
I know treats are coming. My treats are on the way. I'll just be patient.
I'm intelligent too. I'm really, really smart. And, like I've said before, I can run like the wind. I'm being good, see? Origami ears. Oh, you're such a good boy, aren't you? I can smell something. Is it your chai latte?
I'd say so, son. Just getting in my car now. Sorry to wake you up. I'm like, oh no, don't be sorry. I wake early. I've been up since 5. Plus, I didn't even sleep here. But I didn't say that. But that was nice. Nice of them to say sorry to wake you up. I have heard this a lot. The sorry to wake you up thing. People assume that they've just woken you up because you're parked somewhere and it's early. Well, they definitely didn't just wake me up. I've been awake for ages. And I just came here to park. Plus, this is a place where you can go on great walks and runs. Might be the fact that I was in the back. I opened the curtain and was looking out at them, smiling. Just checking out who was there.
Lovely hills.
Wattle. Beautiful wattle, so much of it. Yep. Letting people pass because everyone wants to go super fast, way faster than what they're supposed to be going. And I just want to go with the flow and take it easy. Look at these pine trees. Doggy check. Oh, very good.
I'm basking in the sun, being a good boy. Were you about to yawn? You're so handsome. Looking so handsome while I'm basking in the sun. Hi, Mum. I'm being really good today. I'm not barking.
I know. So good. Very good boys. Very good. Yes. Let's go. Wow, look at that flooding. Whoa. You see those telegraph poles in there? Now that's flooding. Though, isn't it? Excuse me, back you go.
But I'm the cutest boy.
Got a good view.
Yeah, that's why I love the front. I get all the good views. Green. lay down now. Got a slight headache and a sore throat, but I'm sure that won't last. So handsome, I'm so handsome, I'm so handsome. Just look at me. I'm made for the camera. I don't like flies. Flies, you can get out. Get out of here. This is our space. No flies allowed. You tell him. You tell him. I can't get enough of you. Cheers.
Parking recording started.
Aww. You're tucking in to Mama. So much sweet. Oh, kisses, thank you.
So I just got a knock on the car. A knock, open the curtain, open the door. There's two people, a woman with a foreign accent and a man wearing bright orange high-vis jackets. Vests or jackets? I'm pretty sure they were jackets. Yeah, and I was told that I can't be parked here because this is a reserve. I'm literally parked like 3 meters away from where I was. As long as you move by 4 p.m. It's now like 1:12 in the afternoon. My throat's still sore. I'm not sure where I'm gonna park. I will let the universe guide me. Interesting cloud formation through there. See that? Having my vitamin C hit. Smell good? It does smell good, doesn't it? Yeah, I was like, what about on the side of the road? She said they have no control over that and that would be fine. That's where I was last night. I knew that I'd been seen. That's kind of why I moved. Just because I don't like the attention. And this morning when I'd gone for a drive and parked next to some trees at a place where you can go for a long walk and explore, I was parked there and making a cup of tea, opened these curtains to have a look, to see who was there, and I was smiling and they smiled back. And then when I got out to get in the front, they assumed that I'd been asleep and camped there and apologised. They were like, sorry for waking you up. I'm like, oh no, no, no. Don't be sorry, you didn't wake me up. I've been awake, I rise early. But what I should have said is, oh, you didn't wake me up, I didn't sleep here. But I don't need to say all that. I don't need to explain myself to anyone. It's just funny, people they always assume that you have been wherever you are, that you have, wherever you're parked, that you've been camping there and sleeping there. And it's just not the case. I'm moving around all the time. In a day, I'll move around like at least 3 times. At least. I'm in a space where these guys are allowed. They're allowed here. People walk their dogs. It's allowed. I don't really take them to places where they're not meant to be. Mandarins are really hitting the spot. They're so good. Help with my throat. Vitamin C. He wants to get out. Get out, let me out. Let me out, let me out. I want to get out. Okay. Putting on boots. I just received the knock for the first time. In hindsight, what they said, where's he gone? They ended up saying that I didn't have to move until 4 p.m. It's now, like when they were here it was like 1:12 to be precise. So that makes me think I am allowed to be here, but you just can't camp here. I'm literally 3 meters from where I was last night. I just decided to move. Like I could have said, well, oh no, I'm not planning on camping here tonight. I don't know if I was, I move around heaps. But yeah, like this is public land, plus it belongs to my people, a certain tribe. I wonder how they saw me. I think they were just letting me know, look, sorry to bother you, but yeah, you can't camp here. Otherwise there'd be people camping everywhere. Although you can't really drive in here, it's because there's shrubs and bushes all over the place. Hence, this is why I'm not far in, I'm not further in, I'm really close to the side here. I would like to know how they saw me. There's a ranger over there parked. Maybe they're waiting to see if I actually go. But I've got ages, I've got till 4 p.m. How did you see me? Probably have seen me around exploring on my huge explore yesterday. Oh no, where's he gone? Where is he? It definitely feels like it's gonna rain. Where are you? Come here, little one. Little one. Don't like this. This is not the time for him to wander off. He hasn't wandered off. He's around. He never wanders off. He's a good boy. Trained him well. Stays with his mama. Come here. Found him. Come here. Good.
Time to pick you up and get in the car.
Blueberry. Blueberry and almond. It's not the mango one yet. Can't wait to try that.
So we're not moving. We're just relaxing and doing some editing. Well, my mom, she's doing the editing. She's doing the editing. I'm doing the relaxing. I'm really good at it. Did you want to tell everyone something else? Yeah, I'm also really good at super duper super fast running. Really good at that.
I'm gonna have a gargle with this. And then I mix water with it. That wasn't bad. Maybe because I mixed it with this. Many a car are going past. Are they waiting for us to go? Well, it's not gonna happen. We're working. We're editing. I'm editing. He's relaxing. And we don't have to leave yet anyway. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out, yeah. For how long? Doesn't matter. It's out. It's out now, and now is all there is. In the front, his favourite place to be. He was just in the driver's seat, weren't you? You just filming? Okay. Oh, I need some more Panadol. This headache. For me headache. Panadol isn't good for dogs. Chocolate isn't good for dogs. It's a shame to move from here. Now I've just got to reverse and do all that jazz. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll be fine. I came in here knowing I'd have to get out, so. Or a ranger. There's been multiple. What was that? Just saw a big flash. Get back to where you once belonged. Good boy. He just got told off and he went straight back. Good boy. I can do this, no worries. It's like a tree that's being cut by someone, not me. Oh, it's nice, windy, nice. I show you. Dresses, hey? Oh, just made it after numerous tries. Didn't want to scratch the paint, didn't scratch the paint. This has such a large turning circle. It's not power steering, large turning circle. This is difficult. Sparking is okay, we cleared the waddle. Okay. Oh, done. Good. Yep, so that's where I was. Between here and there. I reversed at here. Went like that, and then had to go like that, and then like that. A few times like that. In order to get the very long car like out like that, and then I came forward this way. This was a bit of a problem, but all good, and you're okay. Yes, good. I love you, Waddle. Oh, I'll take this with me.
I'm meant to have it. No, that is literally the worst place you could be and the most uncomfortable. What are you doing, little one?
I wouldn't go without you. Loves to climb into my lap. Don't you? Oh, you want to drive. Oh, you want to drive.
Ugh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. 2. I feel like I'm gonna faint. Come here. I can't even speak right now. I screamed. I like, I'm in shock right now. Far out. That is so uncool. 2 huge ones.
Well, my mom, she's doing the editing. She's doing the editing. I'm doing the relaxing.